Hi everyone. Today we're gonna see how to configure Mendeley in order to be able to synchronize all your data and all your files inside another cloud than the Mendeley server. So first, let's log into Mendeley for the first time and see what is the default configuration. So here I've logged in and Mendeley already started downloading all the files that are stored on my Mendeley library on the Mendeley servers. So what we actually want to do is transfer all these files inside another cloud folder rather than just the Mendeley servers. So first let's locate our files. So if you select just any of your article, then you can go down and right click on the PDF and click on Open Containing Folder. So here we have the full path to the Mendeley folder. And so basically you see that it's located inside a folder called App Data. And if you go a little bit up, then it's going to be your users folder. You see that actually the app data is not always showing. So first thing you will need to do is actually change the view options and hit the hidden items checkbox so that the app data shows. So once you've done that, we can actually start the transfer of the Mendeley desktop folder um, into the OneDrive folder. So let's close Mendeley and then let's open a very small app called Simlink Creator that is gonna let us simulate the folder inside the Mendeley LTD folder, but actually the file is going to be located on your favorite cloud. So here it's going to be OneDrive, but it could be any of the cloud providers around. So here you just have to choose folder symbolic link, and then what we're gonna do is select the place where you want to link. So basically this place is gonna be the previous Mendeley folder. So let's locate it. It's supposed to be in your users folder, then app data, local, then Mendeley LTD, and then it's gonna be the Mendeley desktop folder. So let's stop at Mendeley LTD, okay, here. And then we're gonna call the link Mendeley desktop. And here, that's the location of the real folder we want to link. So remember, we actually wanted to transfer the Mendeley folder inside the OneDrive. So first, instead of filling this form, let's do that. So I'm just gonna go back to the Mendeley folder. So remember app data, local, Mendeley LTD, Mendeley desktop, and I'm gonna transfer this folder inside my OneDrive. Okay, so now I don't have anything in the Mendeley folder, so if I open again the Mendeley software, then no file is going to be found, and basically it's going to create a new folder system. So that's why we need to create a fake folder. So it's not fake, but it's actually a joint folder. And so here we're going to say that the real folder is located inside the OneDrive folder. So I'm just gonna click on the Mendeley desktop folder that is now in OneDrive, click on OK, and here that's very important, it's not a symbolic link that we're gonna create, but a directory junction. Okay, and now create link, and then the link is successfully created. And so you see now that inside the Mendeley Ltd folder, then you have Mendeley desktop alias that has appeared, but it's actually not really the kind of alias that you're used to see in your Windows file system. So if it had it has worked, um, we're gonna be able to open Mendeley desktop and nothing would have changed except that all the files are now accessible from the OneDrive folder. So let's try that. We can close everything now. Let's open Mendeley desktop, and so here you see no error, nothing. It's basically the same Mendeley as it used to be. Okay, so that's nice, but we need to do a final step for you to be able to actually add new files to Mendeley and to allow these files to be synchronized in your OneDrive folder. So what you need to do is go to File, Tools, and then Options, and we're gonna tell Mendeley to organize the files so that all the PDFs that you're gonna copy in the future inside Mendeley are actually gonna be located in the cloud folder. So click the checkbox organize my files and then browse and just select the OneDrive, then Mendeley desktop folder. And if you want Aziz Lite to be able to automatically recognize where the PDFs are located, then you have to choose downloaded folder as the target folder for storing PDFs. That's really important. So then you select this folder and you hit apply or OK. Okay, and then you can actually click yes when Mendeley asks you the question. Okay, so now we click yes, and let's try and see whether it works. So I have some nice documents located inside this folder here, and let's say I want to transfer it to Mendeley, so I just choose one here, whatever, and then I drop it here. So now it's inside Mendeley, and if you go back to your file system, then you see that in the OneDrive, inside the Mendeley desktop folder, you can look inside downloaded and see that the new PDF is located there. So it has been copied successfully. And so now you're good to go and use Aziz Lite to synchronize all your files from Mendeley inside any cloud you want. Thank you.